Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. Today is Monday, April the 9th, 2018, with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist. Jumping right into it, we're looking at the Bitcoin futures chart. As you can see here, last week the market failed to maintain positive momentum. Therefore, we're expecting more downside to come this week. I do believe that eventually the market will take out the old low of 5,880. As you can see, this weekly pointer here, I do believe that the market will stand I want to say a 99% chance of falling below 5,000. All right. So that is on the alert right now. The market dropping below 5,000. Taking a look here at the Dow Futures now. As we pull up the weekly chart. Okay, so likewise with the Dow Futures chart, market failed to maintain momentum last week and is in jeopardy of falling lower this week. So far, the market is still trading below momentum and banks basically bouncing off the longer term trend line support. So we don't know how much longer that will be. We still got rampage possible here in the near future as we get out towards spring, later spring, early summer. We'll have to see what the market does by then, but for right now, it is still lost momentum, and we are at a stage one pulse wave, all right? A stage one bearish negative pulse wave. That's where we are right now, okay? Any further declines, we could hit a stage two rather quickly, but right now, we're at a stage one negative pulse wave decline in the Dow. Taking a look here at the Nasdaq 100. All right, the Nasdaq 100 is right there. Depending on how the market moves this week and next week, it is looking at a possible stage one negative bearish pulse wave as well. All right, so we'll see how it moves, but for right now, it is also lost all momentum and is flirting with the long-term trend line support. If broken, downside momentum could pick up rapidly. So we're watching to see what happens here. It should also be noted that there are crash alerts that were issued for Monday that did not materialize. There's a strong chance that those will continue into Tuesday. Running the update on the pulse waves now to see what the price triggers have to say about it. Crude oil has rallied and is trying to regain momentum lost from last week. We'll have to look and see what it can do. I still think $70 is in play right now. We'll have to see how much strength is gathered into this rally. As long as the rally doesn't fizzle out here, I think there's a high possibility of upside breakout potential in the crude oil. Looking at the natural gas now. Natural gas, as you can see, last week struggled to maintain that momentum. I mean, it really, really struggled. All right, closed right there on it. And now you can see the market did pull back a little bit more, but now it's trying to really regain that bullish momentum. So we'll have to see what it can do. Right now, overall, though, it's still flat. The 278 trend line resistance is still in play. We'll see if the market can get enough behind it to get a close above that, and then possibly even close above the longer-term trend line of 288. That's the upside resistance here. So nat gas is still overall flat. We'll have to look and see what materializes from here. Looking at the bonds. All right, bond market still maintaining that bullish momentum. The 147 is the overhead resistance. If it can clear it, I think that the 150 is still in play. So bonds still liking the bonds on the long side. We'll see if we can get a breakout this week. I do think the potential is there to do that. Taking a look at the US dollar index. US dollar index is still oscillating between the 89 and 91 handle. So right now, so far so good for the Trump White House import-export policy. All right, so not a whole lot to see just yet. Markets are going to do what they're going to do. We just have to wait and see what materializes. Looking at gold here, positive momentum. So this one is looking like it wants to make another run. Still in that overall trading range, but looking like it wants to try to make another run topside. Looking at silver. Silver is also, trying to build some momentum. Overhead resistance is at 1661, and then long-term resistance is at 1683. Then it brings us to the Kuma cloud. So still has a lot to work out here, but it's really trying to muster up some momentum here. So markets are looking interesting. It's just the beginning of the week. So we have a lot of trading ahead of us. So we'll see where the markets go from here. And remember, pulsewavetrading.com. Come learn how to navigate these algorithms, learn how to trade these markets, and put the power of the AI in your corner. Pulsewavetrading.com, free trading study course with your purchase of the Pulsewave price triggers. 7-day free trial going on. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.